For me, it's good to be just do some simple exercise in the sitting position, because we are very simple. If we understand a simple way is that we are 70% water, the same thing like Earth. Earth is 70% of ocean, water, and 30% of Earth that we stay on. Now we have 70%. So the Earth, the whole key is the fluid is like a body. So one body. 5 major ocean is one body. So when you have a wave from here, go forever. It's like timeless. Keep on. And now high tide, low tide. It can be 10,000 miles away. High tide over there and low tide here. So the water are moving like this. We have the same. So we have the fluid inside. And everything is a fluid floating. So the first step in the Tao say, hey, the first step, we have the spinal cord fluid floating in the spine.
Okay.
And when we sit on the palm. So that we have the second palm and cranial palm.
Okay.
So that is the major part.
Okay.
So a very simple exercise, we say, moving the spinal cord fluid and the brain fluid.
Okay.
So what we do, we inhale, we go like this. We inhale, you expand your chest.
Okay.
You expand your stomach, and your neck go like this. Okay, your chin go back.
Up. Okay.
And now when you exhale, you curve down. So you curve everything down. Inhale. Exhale. Curve enough that you feel, because we have two tendons there. When you curve them, you activate the pump.
Okay.
So inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Smile. Breathing in golden light into your spine and your brain. And exhale. Cloudy and gray color out. Sometimes we just let go all the emotion or everything down to the ground. So inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now, when you do for a while, you rub your hand warm. And you cover the sacrum and your cranial. So now when you rest for a while, you can really feel like warm. Your sacrum warm and your cranial. This is the cranial pump. So we have a pump because we stand up. So the Tao said when we stand up, we like a 24-story high. So people live on the top floor or on the 10th floor or 20th floor. The most important part is water going up. Okay. No water, we finish.
Okay.
Electricity, water, everything. So when you feel that, when you move them, something moves. And now when you can feel them, conscious feel about something moving, energy moving, we call you beginning practicing the chi.
Okay.
The energy, the chi force.
The chi force.
So chi flow. So when you feel that warm night and you rest for a moment, you smile. And you feel your whole spine nice and warm. And you inhale, that's how the fluid go up. When you inhale, the fluid go up. When you exhale, the fluid go down. Inhale. So your sacrum and lumbar have to move. Because the Tao said we have 7 pumps. Very important because we are pump. If we sit too long, we sit on a pump.
Okay.
And the pump don't work.
Okay.
When it don't work, what we do? We're tired, exhausted.
Okay.
And we're depending on coffee, or some people depending on the smoke to stimulate the body to keep up. We fool the body to give us energy.
Okay. Okay.
That is the whole key.
Okay.
And now this is the flow. Now we have 2/3 of the fluid is in here.
2/3 of the fluid. So we started with the spinal fluid.
The spinal fluid.
Then that breathing technique was to get the spinal fluid going. Right. Okay. And you would do that longer normally?
We rest, feel the energy flow, another 9.
9. Okay.
If you do 9, 9, 18, or 20, or 36, that's the good number.
Okay.
So if you do that and you rest, you feel the flow. That is how we call energy.
Okay.
You feel chi flow.
Okay. And then you warm your hands and you put it here afterwards.
Because
to
there's
feel.
a two pump.
Okay.
Two big pumps.
Just to warm them up.
Right.
Okay.
To warm them up and you feel there's something moving.
Okay. And you do this sitting down or you can do that standing up too?
Standing up is the best.
Is the best for that exercise. Okay. Okay.
The same exercise. But the next one we divide here because this is the fluid.
Right. This is the most important part.
The most important part because 2/3 of the fluid come in here.
Okay.
Because we have all the organs. We have the liver takes so much blood, kidney takes so much blood, stomach, small intestine. When we eat, so much blood coming to take nutrition and everything. So much blood.
Right.
And the whole key is the sickness. The sickness is come from that when the fluid don't flow.
Okay. Okay.
And the stagnant, now every sickness come.
Okay.
And we take so many million and million of methods try to fix this organ problem.
When you walk through like a Western hospital and you see all these sick people, do you just think, man, why don't they just get breathing, get the fluid moving, and then half of them would be out of the hospital?
That's it.
All of them would be out.
Yeah, I have so many students that come to me. They're so sick. Like in France this time, they said, I came here 2 days only. They said, I feel so much better just by this breathing, by the fluid flow, aware of the fluid flow, and aware that Dantian can store chi. And now they have, because they drain themselves and they don't, you keep on using your mobile telephone and you don't charge them. It's gonna gone. Okay.
Okay.
So now it's very simple. In here we said we have lower abdominal, middle, upper.
Okay.
So lower part we have sexual organ.
Okay.
And we have elimination. That is the last intestine. In here we have small intestine.
Right.
The absorption and kidney. And here we have all the digestion. People don't care about that. Okay? And people so stressful. Stress, we call, now the Western, the definition is that stress is when you in stress, we call fight and flight response. You are go to war or you're running.
Okay, fight or flight response with stress. Okay.
Right. And now when you are in the resting mode, we call parasympathetic mode, you are in rest and digestion.
Okay.
But when you stress, digestion nearly slow down or non-digestion.
Okay.
Now, no food supply, we're gonna lose the war.
Okay.
And there's a lot of people then. So people, business is war. That's it.
Yeah.
In the olden time when we make war, when we have war, it still have to be finished. But business we never finish. We after one war, budget finished, next year budget, more sell, more pushing, more sell, new product, new thing. We are keep on pushing non-stop.
Okay.
When you're pushing non-stop, you fight and flight response. Now, what are you going to do? You slow down the digestion, you slow down the absorption, and you slow down all the elimination. Big trouble. The number one elimination is the lung. The number two elimination is the kidney. The number three elimination is the large intestine. Lung, if we don't breathe, few minutes we die. Mm-hmm. Kidney, if don't filter, 3 days we die. 3 or 4 days, all swollen up and we die. And large intestine, maybe 1 week, or blow up also. Okay. But breathing and the fluid flow involved with the breathing. Okay. So if we put the hand here,
in the lower abdomen.
In the lower abdominal, because that is the sexual organ, and it's the lower ocean, it's the lower part.
Okay.
If this one don't move, nothing move.
Okay.
Because it's the lower part. So you very simple, you exhale, flatten down the stomach, inhale, you push your finger out. And some people in a warmer place, they can use the mouth. And when you nighttime, you rest, you see, and you feel. The qigong is this. After you exercise, you rest, you feel the energy, and you learn how to control, and you learn how to guide the energy and the fluid flow. Energy flow, wind. When wind blow, the wave go. When no wind, no wave.
Okay.
When no wave, Oh my God, you're in the seaside, you say, oh my God, it's so hot. And the fish and everything cannot grow also.
Okay.
No wind, no chi, nothing flow.
Okay.
So energy.
And what am I doing there? I'm breathing what you said, short breaths. And
now you inhale.
Yeah.
Exhale.
Pushing
you
in.
flatten up, pushing in.
You push in.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you can learn how slowly to squeeze the organs, because this one in the Tao, we say this is the second and the third hearts.
Okay.
Okay. Because heart pumping. But if you're doing this one here, pumping, so now in the middle is the big one.
Okay.
Middle here, so you the same.
Same thing. Okay.
Now, emphasize is you squeeze them.
Squeeze in.
And you rest, and you rub it warm. Now when you warm, energy flow. When energy flow, the blood, the chi, the fluid flow. That's it. Everything started for food that stuck also flow.
Okay.
Yeah. Now digestion also flow. Now elimination also started to flow.
Okay.
Everything, the whole key is like a plumber, like the water pipe.
Okay.
Anything stuck, nothing flows.
So it's all plumbing.
All plumbing. With the big plumbing system,
Right.
Very big plumbing.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, when you rest, is the time you can feel the energy.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, we come up to the upper part here.
Upper part, yeah.
There is all the digestion. People have all the digestion, like blow up, not digestion, stomach problem, cannot digest food well. Now you have no energy. You have no resupply. Digestion not good, you have no resupply. Okay. No resupply, you get weak and sick. Now you get everything gone.
Okay.
So the same, if you put your hand here, liver on the right hand side.
Right hand side.
Stomach on the left. And the pancreas. So you inhale. Now, when you say night time, you rest, and you just aware, warm, nice energy, gather the energy, collect the energy, and focus on the energy. Now you start to see, hey, I feel warm inside. Now you learn how to, we call, focus the chi, and later on you learn how to move the chi with the mind, and the focus, mind, eye, heart, we call focusing. Okay. Focus, concentration, and just focus on it. Now you can move the energy and the blood follow.
Okay.
So that is we call the big fruit.
Okay. Now, how long would you do that? So the lower ones, how many breaths would you do?
9 is good.
9. Okay.
And after you rest, you feel something, you do another 9.
Another
second
9.
set.
Okay.
And the third set. So 4 set is 36.
Okay.
It's good number.
Okay.
If you can do that, I don't know how people are going to get sick.
Okay. And that's 4 sets of 9 on the bottom.
Right.
4 sets of 9 in the middle.
Right.
And 4 sets of 9 in the top. And how hard are you pushing in?
As much as you can.
As hard as you can.
Slow,
Okay.
Gradually increase. The whole key, like you squeeze something out of it. That's it.
Okay.
Now with the next one is the heart and the lung, is the rib cage.
Okay.
And this one we call actually the heart, in one with the heart. So we call the heart is the communication. Because heart is connecting. So heart, when it's radiating out love, they want connection. But a lot of people, rib cage are blocked, so the heart cannot open.
Okay.
So when you exhale, you curve in your rib cage.
Okay.
Inhale, expand, and you feel the heart, the lung open. Exhale, curve in, inhale, expand, pull the scapula together on the back, open your chest, exhale, sing, squeeze the lung and the heart very small. Inhale, expand. Smile is the key. Okay, smile.
Smile. Okay.
Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And you rest. And you just feel your heart open, love, joy, happy. When you feel love, joy, happy, everything started to move. Because heart pump. So in the Tao believe that when you do this, you're increasing 2 hearts, you increase 3 hearts, you're increasing 4 hearts.
4 hearts.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay.
You have more heart to do things.
Continue watching this fascinating conversation for free by clicking on the link below to visit our website, learn from the best minds in the world, and connect with a community of passionate people building the best versions of themselves. Just click on the link below, and I'll see you on the inside.
Hi, it's Brian Rose from London Real. You probably know that we've just recently been re-platformed on YouTube after 25 months completely in the dark. The truth is, I really need your help. What I really need you to do is click on that subscribe button right now, like this video, and maybe even leave a comment or share the link with friends. We're really fighting against an algorithm that's tried to keep us quiet for so long, and the more subscribers we have, the more people watch our content, the better guests we can bring you, the better content, and we can continue transforming lives. We've been doing this for 14 years now. I want to do this for another 14 years, but I really need your help. So click on that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, share this, and we're going to continue to bring you more and more great content. Thank you. Most people will never see this opportunity. Dubai luxury transformation projects have historically delivered 40 to 90% annual returns. That is incredible. These were once reserved only for insiders with access. I spent 15 years on Wall Street and I learned this: the biggest returns always go to the people who get the call first. Now, you finally can. We've just received a brand new project with major upside potential. Allocations move fast. Click the link, apply now, and speak to my team. This is your chance to see what others never will.